Marzucco's Construction Coatings is proud of the Madeira condominium in Marco Island, Florida, that we had the privilege of completing an exterior facade renovation. Thank you to Chuck Stone, Resort Management, and all the Marzucco staff members that worked so hard to make this project a reality and turn it out with an exceptional finished product that will provide many years of beauty and protection for Madeira. This exterior facade renovation included all exterior stucco surfaces offering a 7-year Sherwin-Williams warranty, all exterior railings offering a 10-year Tanemic fluoropolymer warranty. All keystone was re-tuck pointed at the grout joints and sealed. All window perimeters and glazing was done, offering a 20-year Dow Corning silicone warranty. The entire interior garage and lobbies were prepared and repainted. There was extensive concrete restoration, rail pocket repairs, and stucco repairs that had to be done in order to make this project a success. Thank you, everyone, for making this a successful project and putting that signature special touch that Marzucco's Construction and Coatings offers.